Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be going through a tutorial on the dance My Spicy Margarita. This is choreographed by Josh Talbot. It's a 32 count full wall improver level line dance. There are no restarts or tags, and the song is Spicy Margarita by Jason Derulo and Michael Bublé. So, facing the front, taking the weight onto the left, you're going to complete a rocking chair with the right, take a half pivot and shuffle forward for your first section of 8. So it goes right forward, replace, back, replace, right, half pivot, shuffle right forward. Let's just repeat that section again. 7 end, rock, replace, back, replace, half pivot, shuffle right. From here, you're going to be traveling in a forward motion, so traveling towards your rear wall. You're going to be taking a 3/4 turn, which will end up facing towards your 3 o'clock wall, or where your left shoulder is right now. You're then going to rock forward and back and then take some heel switches moving back. So let's break that down. First thing you're going to do is stepping onto that left, you're going to take a half turn and end up facing the front, so you're going to step back onto the left. You're going to step onto the right, stepping to the side, turning a 1/4 turn to face your 3 o'clock wall, so you step onto the right. From here, you're going to rock forward and back on the left, so you're going to go forward and back, so your weight should be back onto your right. You're then going to take some heel switches moving backwards. You're going to be moving back on the left, heel right, back on the right, heel left, back on the left, heel right, and then back on the right, heel left. That adds on your next section of 8. So let's just repeat that last section once more. You're facing your rear wall. You've come out of your right shuffle forward, so your weight will be on your right leg. We're going to be stepping into that half with the left, into the 1/4 with the right. Moving forward, 7, and we go half, 1/4, rock, replace, heel right, heel left, heel right, heel left. Let's add those two sections together. Facing your front wall, weight is on your left, rocking chair forward, 7 and we go rocking chair, take a half pivot, shuffle forward, 3/4 turn, left, right, rock forward, replace, and then right, left, left. Let's add on the next section of 8. I'm going to take a slight step to the side so you can see my feet. From here, you're going to bring that left together. You're going to cross rock that right over, shuffle to the right side, cross and 1/4 turn and coaster step. So let's break that down. Bring that left together, cross rock the right over the left and replace the weight back onto the left. Shuffle to your right side, shuffle to the right. You're going to step that left across. Now, as you step onto the right, you're going to be stepping back, turning a 1/4 turn, end up facing your front wall. So you're going to step back and you're going to coaster step with that left. Coaster step. So just repeating that last section again. Your weight is on your left. Your weight is on your right. You've done your left heel. You're now going to go into that cross rock. You're going to bring that left together. Cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, 1/4, coaster step. Let's add both of those sections all together. Weight is on your right, moving forward. Weight is on your left, moving forward and back. So rocking chair, 7 and rocking chair, half pivot, shuffle forward, 3/4 turn, go left, right, rock forward, replace, heels right, left, cross rock, shuffle to the right, and across, 1/4, coaster step. Let's add on the next section of 8 of the dance from here. What you're now going to be doing is doing a heel grind with that right, turning your 1/4 turn to face your 3 o'clock wall, making sure your weight ends up on your left, coaster step, and then you stomp and do some hip sways. So what that looks like is you're going to grind that right heel, and as you do, turn a 1/4 turn to your right, so you end up facing that 3 o'clock wall. You're going to coaster step, so your weight should end up on your left. You're going to coaster step with the right, back together forward. You're then going to stomp that left forward slightly and hold for 1 count, and then you're going to push your hips back forward in a swaying motion. So that last section again, let's just repeat that. Our weight is on our left. We've done our coaster step. We're going to heel grind, so we go grind a 1/4, coaster step, stomp, left hips back, forward. You are now ready to start the dance on your new wall, and again, there are no restarts or tags. So let's put all of those sections together to complete the dance. Weight is on your left, ready for your rocking chair, 7 and rocking chair, half pivot shuffle forward, 3/4 turn, rock forward on the left, heels going back, right, left, right, cross, rock and shuffle, cross, quarter and coaster step, heel grown quarter, coaster step, stomp, hand, hip, hip, rocking chair again. So you've now completed a walkthrough on the front wall. Go back and repeat any of those sections that you need to in order to get comfortable with those steps. What we're now going to do is walk through all 4 walls. So facing your front wall, weight is on the left, ready to start the dance. 7, and we go rocking chair, half pivot, shuffle forward, 3/4 turn, and rock, replace, heels right, left, cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster step, heel grind quarter, coaster step, stomp your left and hip, hip, rocking chair, half pivot and shuffle forward, 3/4 to face the back, rock and heels traveling back, right, left, cross, rock, side shuffle to the right, cross quarter and coaster step, grind a quarter face the back, coaster step, stomp, hold, hip, hip, rocking chair, half pivot, shuffle forward, 3/4 to your 9 o'clock wall, rock and heels traveling back, right, left, cross rock, shuffle to the right, cross quarter to face the back, grind a quarter face 9 o'clock, coaster, stomp, hips, back, forward, rocking chair, half pivot and shuffle, 3/4 turn to the front, rock and heels traveling back, right, left, cross rock and shuffle, cross quarter and coaster, 9 o'clock wall, grind a quarter, back to the front, coaster, stomp, hips, back, forward, rocking chair. You've started the dance again. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. You can now head on over to the demo or the demo with call so you can get some practice in. And again, I'll see you in the next video.